Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to copy some files and entries into an array. So first of all we're going to create an empty array. So this is going to be, we'll just increase the font size there. File, entries. Okay, now we're going to create a subroutine called files and folders. I think I'll call it files and folders. I'm going to create a scalar variable called scalar path. Going to assign it to prompt because I want the user to type in a path here. So whoops, that's going to be full path. So the user will type in the full path there. So in this example I'm going to do my desktop. Right, so now we're going to create another list directory. So this is how we're going to list the files and folders in there. Assign it to directory and the path that we've entered. Then we do .map and then it's going to be asterisk dot base name. Okay, so now we're going to do file entries dot push. So the entries that we've gone through, the files and folders, we're going to push them here to list entries. Sorry, list directory. Okay, so the all the entries we got from the list directory, we're going to push them into file entries here. So we're going to store them there. Right, now we're going to print out a message to the user saying files copied to array printing. And then we're going to give it a pause for 2 seconds using the sleep function. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out this array up here, file entries. Okay, we're going to save it. So we're going to call the program now, which is going to be files folders. Save that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the path for my desktop here. Just call the program. Okay, we've got a little bit of a problem there. Okay, so that's file for there we go. File folders. I think that's gonna solve it. Let's just clear that. Okay, run the program again. Okay, full path that I'm going to enter in. So I'm going to do my full desktop path. So this is my desktop path. It's not yours, so you will have to find your own unique desktop path. Or else, if you type this in like I'm doing here, it will throw an error. Okay, hit entry. Files copied into the array and printing. So we can see, yeah, can I expand this a little bit? We can see here that the files from my desktop have been printed into this array here. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.